Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope this coming year will be a wonderful year for you guys. Now in this video, I want to show you how I replaced my projector light bulb. Initially this projector, this HD Epson projector, this 705 HD model, I had it for 8 years and the light bulb failed me 2-3 years ago. And I decided just, to eventually take it apart and maybe look into, modifying the light bulb and do something to it so that it will work again. The reason I was going to do that was the original light bulb was like almost $300 back then, right? So I said, I'm not going to replace it with a $300 light bulb when this projector I bought was less than $700. So recently I looked into this projector again, but on Amazon, I was able to get this third-party light bulb for under 60 bucks, which is worth it now to be replaced. So I'm going to show you today how I do that, and I think it's probably worthwhile. Even though this may not last as long as the original, hopefully I'm thinking it said it guarantee 200 day. Yeah, 200 day. I'm not sure if they're going to hold their word for it, but it's a guarantee 200 days. This is a 200-day warranty with 2,500 hour usage. At least that's what they claim. We'll see. But for $60, I think it's worth it. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. All right, so here we have a projector, and I'm going to replace the light bulb. Depending on the model you have, this is a 705 HD model. All right, so what we want to do is we want to take out the light bulb from here. Now for this model, the Epson 705 HD, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is unscrew this screw here. If I can take it out, I'll show you. There we go. Just one screw, slide it out, and there we go. Okay, this is now taken out. And you can see there's a light bulb in there. Now there's two screws here inside. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take that out. Okay. Now once you do that, then you pop this right out like that. There we go. Okay, so this is now the old light bulb. This one is now dead because you can tell by, when you turn it on, it will have this red flashing light here. Okay, it's telling you that pretty much the light bulb is dead. Okay, so that's how you know. So now I'm going to replace it with the third-party light bulb. Okay, let's do that. Pretty simple. It should take you less than, I think, 3 minutes actually. If it's a type of projector that I have here, it takes less than 3 minutes. So here we go. Here's the new one, a third-party light bulb. Looks very similar actually to the old one, right? So I can't really tell the difference actually. Oh, there is a little slight difference, I guess. Yeah, it's hard to tell which one is original if I hold in my hand here. But this is the third-party one, and they look exactly the same size and everything. Okay, so let's put it in. So you slip it in like that. Okay, make sure you align the power connector right there and snap it in. Okay, like that, and then you screw it in. Okay, so now it's done. All I have to do now is to test it to see if it works. Okay, let's do that right now. So let's plug this in. Let me put this old lamp light away. I might be able to do something to this lamp light, maybe change the actual filament. I don't know, for next time. We'll do something with that in the future. I'm going to keep that. All right. Okay, so let's plug in the projector. Okay. Now, you'll notice that when I press on, it will automatically turn on right away. Whereas when the light bulb died, the time for it to start up was very slow. It took almost a minute or more actually, and then it turned the lamp light being red. So that's how you know your light bulb is dead. It takes about a couple minutes, and then it will be flashing red on the lamp light there. Sometimes you'll see the temperature turn red as well because it's overheated. Okay, so you can see here it's working, but I want to test it out by connecting my smartphone. Let me see if I can do that. So I'll grab my smartphone and I'll plug it in this HDMI connector like this. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll connect the HDMI wire from my smartphone, as you can see here, and connect it to the HDMI on the projector. So here we go. Voila. And let's turn it on. Okay, there we go. So it found the sources, and yeah, it's working now. I'm going to show you with, let me see if I can grab a piece of paper to show you that it's working. Okay, there we go. I have a very small space here, so it's hard for me to, there we go. See, it's working. So it's projecting my smartphone. Let me just see if I can make it more clear. There we go. Pretty cool, right? It worked. So there we go. Now I have a projector. This is not a full HD. This is a 720p HD projector, which was not used or was not replaced with the light bulb last 3 years. And I was able to get the third-party lamp bulb, replace it, and now it's working. So $60 is not bad. It's pretty reasonable for a light bulb to replace an old projector. So now I don't need to recycle this projector. It's reused again. It's gonna be used for my presentation and all that stuff. So yeah, just be aware that sometime, you know, you don't need the latest, greatest technologies. That this has actually always been my philosophy, that try to use old technology and find the component you need to fix it or repair it. You'll save yourself so much money, and you'll save the environment. Some of these old technology is better, may be even much better than the newer one, because they have, as you can see here, this one actually has so many connector VGA, you know, the old standard technology. You have the RCA as well. So this is universal compatible with all the old technologies, and it's also compatible with the new technology with using the HDMI. You won't be able to find this type of projector with this type of inputs anymore. So this is why I'm definitely, you know, keeping this projector. Next time I'm going to show you how to take your laptop monitor and convert it into a HDMI external monitor for DVDs, computers. It will cost you less than $35. All right, I'll see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And again, Happy New Year. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas as well, the Christmas Day. And hopefully this year, the 2022, will be your best year as well. Okay, bye.